Practice set 1.2. Question number first. Given below are some triangles and length of segments. Identify in which figure ray PM is bisector of angle QPR. And this is the first diagram. मग इथे आपल्याला काय पाहायचं आहे की हा रे PM बायसेक्टर आहे का. मग आपण बायसेक्टर आहे असं जर गृहीत धरलं तर रेशिओ असतील QM अपॉन MR QP अपॉन PR. मग फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द रेशिओ QM अपॉन MR. First ratio, value of the QM is a 3.5 upon MR is a 1.5. Decimal point is a matching here, 0.5. So I eliminate it. त्याला काढून टाकलं and we get 35 upon 15. 5 7s are 35, 5 3s are 15. So we get the final answer for the ratio is a 7 upon 3. Now we find the another ratio QP upon PR. QP upon PR. So the value of the QP is a given 7 and value of the PR is a 3. Here both ratios are equal 7 upon 3. So I write that thing here. Here QM upon MR is equal to QP upon PR. These are two equal ratios. If these two ratios are equal, then we can say by property of angle bisector ray PM is bisector of angle QPR. If you never get both ratios are equal, we say ray PM is not bisector of angle QPR. जर हे वेगवेगळे आले तर तो बायसेक्टर असणार नाही. Now this is the second diagram. In this diagram we also need the PM is a bisector. So first ratio QM upon MR. So we find QM upon MR here 8 upon 6 value which are given. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. We divide it by 2. We get 4 by 3 value of the first ratio. And another ratio which is also start from QP upon PR. So 10 upon 7. Here 10 is divisible by 2 but 7 is not divisible by any number. Means here first ratio QM upon MR and the other ratio QP upon PR both are not equal. First ratio is a 4.4 upon 3 and second ratio is a 10 upon 7. So they are not equal. Therefore by property of angle bisector ray PM is not a bisector of angle QPR. Now in a second question. Second question is in triangle PQR. Here is the triangle PQR in which PM is a 15, PM is a 1 5 15, PQ whole PQ is a 2 5 25. From the P to Q here 25. PR from the P to R is a 20 and NR is a 8. And they ask whether line NM is parallel to side RQ. This NM is parallel to side RQ. ही NM RQ ला पॅरलल आहे का? आपण असं गृहीत धरू ही पॅरलल आहे. जर ही पॅरलल असेल तर रेशो मिळणार PN अपॉन NR, PM अपॉन MQ. पण आपल्याकडे जर रेशो काढायचा असेल PN अपॉन NR तर PNची व्हॅल्यू नाही, NRची व्हॅल्यू आहे 8, पण PNची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याकडे नाही. बट वी नो द होल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ PR. होल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ PR इज ए 20. होल व्हॅल्यू ऑफ PR इज ए 20. मग बाय युजिंग दॅट, त्याचाच वापर करूया आपण इथे फॉर द आन्सर. आपण त्याचाच वापर करून शोधूया PN. मग PN प्लस NR इज इक्वल टू PR, because P dash N dash R. P dash N dash R. Now we don't know the PN, but we know the NR is 8, PR is a 20. So we get PN is equal to 20 minus 8. 20 minus 8. And the PN is a, subtraction is a 12. 20 minus 8 is a 12. Similarly, we need to find MQ here. PM plus MQ is a PQ and PM plus MQ is equal to PQ because P dash M dash Q. Now substitute the value. Value of the PM is a 15, MQ we don't know, and PQ is a 25. So what MQ we get here? 25 minus 15. This 15 goes to the right hand side. So the MQ we get how much? We get 10. We get 10. Now find the ratio. Now find the ratio. First ratio is a what? PN upon NR, and the value of PN is a 12, which one we already find. NR is a 8, which one is given. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. We get 3 upon 2 here. Another ratio is a PM upon MQ. So value of the PM is a 15 and value of the MQ is a 10. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. We get 3 upon 2. Here both ratios are equal. Both ratios are equal. PN upon NR is equal to PM upon MQ. Both ratios are equal. So by converse of BPT, we says line NM is parallel to side RQ. The parallel ahe. Now question number 3. In this question they gives the triangle MNP. In this triangle MNP they says segment NQ is bisector of angle N. If NQ is a bisector, then by property of angle bisector, by property of angle bisector, we get the two equal ratio MQ upon QP. MQ upon QP is equal to MN upon NP. MN upon NP Let substitute the value. MQ is a 2.5, QP we don't know, MN is a 5, NP is a 7. Now we do the cross multiplication here. So we get 2.5 into 7 and 5 into QP. 5 into QP. What is the product? I write here now. You do not write here. We write the exactly below the product. So what is the product we get here? 7 5s are 35. Carry forward 3. Decimal point. 7 2s are 14. 14 and 3 17 is equal to 5 into QP. Now this 5 come to the left in a division form is equal to QP. What is the division now? 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, remainder is a 2, 2 and 5, 25, 5 5s are 25. That's why we get QP is equal to 3.5 here.